Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Paw Patrol characters. Let's start drawing. At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I divide it into 6 small squares like this. This is Everest. She's a brave and playful husky pup. Everest loves the snow and is great at rescuing in icy conditions. She's always ready to help with her snowcat vehicle. Amazing! Meet Chase. He's a German Shepherd and a police pup. Chase is always on the case, helping to keep everyone safe. He's great at solving problems with his trusty police truck. Amazing! Amazing! This is Sky. She's a fearless and smart cockapoo. Sky loves to fly high in her helicopter. She's always ready to help from the sky. I love my pen. I love my pen. Meet Rubble. He's a lovable bulldog and a construction pup. Rubble loves to dig and build with his digger. He's always ready to fix things and lend a helping paw. Amazing! This is Marshall. He's a Dalmatian and a fire pup. Marshall is always ready to put out fires and help with emergencies. He's a bit clumsy but always brave and cheerful. I love my pen. Meet Rocky. He's a mixed breed pup and a recycling expert. Rocky loves to reuse and recycle to keep the environment clean. He's always ready with his toolkit to fix things. I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Everest shows us that being brave and adventurous is so much fun. Amazing! Everest's ready for some snowy adventures. Chase shows us how important it is to be responsible and helpful. Don't forget his bright blue uniform. I love my pen. Sky shows us that we can reach for the stars. Rubble shows us how fun it is to build and create. Add his yellow construction hat and vest. Amazing! Marshall shows us that it's okay to be yourself and have fun. Rocky shows us how important it is to take care of our planet. Add his green recycling hat and vest. Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow, light red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, purple, Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.